Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, you have to click on Start Lab. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Now, coming to the lab directly, just right click over here and open the console incognito window. Now, if you get any pop-up, just click on I understand and agree and continue. Now, close this unwanted pop-up over here. Click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell. Here you have to click on continue and just authorize yourself and please follow and watch it till the end. Just click on authorize. So finally the shell is ready. Now come to the lab instruction, come to task number 1. From here just copy it. And if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. Now once it is cloned, we have to just change the directory like this. We run the first two commands. Now simply come to task number 3. From here just run the init command to initiate. After that we have to run the apply command. So just copy it also, paste it, and maybe it will ask we have to type yes. Okay, so just wait for it. Just type yes and hit enter. Now it's creating, and if you try to check the score, let's see whether we get the score or not. So we have to wait for this cluster to get created. It may take around 10 to 15 minutes for it, so let's wait. So finally, after waiting for 17 minutes, all these things are done. Maybe you will require to wait for more time or maybe less. Now simply come to the lab instruction and simply check the score. You can clearly see we have got the score, and do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.